Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ramadan is a very special month of the year for Muslims. Fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Fasting starts on the first rays of light, strike horizon and stop on the sunset. Muslims eat one meal before dawn called as sahar and break their fast with a short meal known as iftar around sunset. Ramadan is a period of prayers, fasting, charity and self-accountability for the Muslims. It is a month which Allah Almighty opened the door of blessing for the Muslims. Laylatul Qadr occurs in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Muslims also do itikaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received his first revelation during the month of Ramadan. The month ends with the feast of Eid al-Fitr. It is a gathering based on families and friends. Everyone wears new dresses and exchange gifts. Allah is the creator and sustainer of all and the caretaker of all affairs. Believe in Allah. Khuda Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan, புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான், ரமலான், புனித ரமலான். இதயமெல்லாம் கனிந்து கனிந்து இறை உணர்வில் சிறந்து விளங்கும் ரமலான்.